Hey, my name is Cody. I am a digital presenter for the PartsIPS. Today, I am going to talk about GE configured UI board part #WD21X31909. The GE configured UI board part #WD21X31909 is a replacement part for GE dishwashers. It is a user interface board that controls the operation of the dishwasher. The board includes a display, buttons, and LED indicators to allow users to select and monitor the dishwashers. Settings. The board also includes a circuit board with all of the necessary components to control the dishwasher's functions. This includes relays, transistors, resistors, capacitors, and other components. The board also contains a processor that runs the software that controls the D. This part fixes the following symptoms. The WD21X31909 UI board is designed to fix the following symptoms. 1. Washer won't start. 2. Washer won't spin or agitate. 3. Washer won't drain. 4. Washer is making loud noises during operation. 5. The washer is leaking water. Here is how you install this part. 1. Unplug the power cord from the wall outlet. 2. Remove the screws from the back of the dryer and pull off the back panel. 3. Disconnect the wiring harness from the existing control board and remove it from the dryer. 4. Install the new GE configured UI board part #WD21X31909 in place of the old board, making sure to connect all wiring harnesses correctly. 5. Securely fasten all screws and replace back panel on dryer. 6. Plug power cord back into wall outlet and test dryer for proper operation. You can buy this part from www.partsips.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.partsips.com.
Visit www.partsips.com to order residential appliance parts.